Hey guys, I'm here at our Mainfloor stand. Normally we are using it on exhibitions, now it's in our warehouse. I'm just mounting our actuator. Just have a look. We have this connector here. It's just been screwed onto the valve. And then the actuator is being pushed on it until it clicks and it's mounted. Now the cable must be connected to the terminal strip, just with push fit connectors here. Quite easily, no screwing, no stress, just easily connected. As you may know, we are not only producing pipes, we also have the accessories to it. So if you need a complete underfloor heating system, you can buy it from us. So we have our PRT pipes here. Of course, we have them in different sizes from 16 until 25. We have multi-layer pipes also for underfloor heating. And as I already said, we have the accessories to it. We have the rail system. We have the standard tacker. We have the isolation. We do also have the knob plate system here, as you can see. And on my side here, I also have a dry construction system, which is a little bit different to other dry construction systems you may know. You can already see that the aluminium is directly glued to the isolation. So it's not a separate system, it's a combined system. It does not fall out. And furthermore, as you can see here, it has an omega shape. When you bring in the pipe, you just click it in. And it does not fall out. So when you install, the pipe really stays at its place. Easily, fast and nicely to be installed. But furthermore, we have a lot of other accessories as well. Like what you can see here, we have the thermostats. On the left hand side they are wired. On the right hand side wireless. So we have a terminal strip for the wired thermostats, and we have a terminal strip for the wireless thermostats. The wireless system can be also connected to the internet via an access point, so you can connect to it via an app and can do everything online. Speaking about online, you can reach me online. You can reach me via telephone, WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, whatever you want. I'm here for you and I'm happy to be in contact with you. Thanks a lot. Have a great day and bye bye.